In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up QuickBooks Online data. If you want a little more peace of mind when managing your company records, turning on backups in QuickBooks Online is a smart step. Backups help protect important accounting information and make it easier to recover data if you ever need to look back at a previous version. I'll walk you through where to find the setting, how to enable it, and how to run a manual backup whenever you want. To get started, go to QuickBooks Online and make sure you're signed in to the correct company. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a moment to confirm that you're in the right account before making any changes. That's especially helpful if you manage more than one business file. Next, look to the upper area of the screen and click on Settings. In QuickBooks Online, this is typically found under the gear icon. This menu is where you'll find many of the administrative tools for your company, including the options related to account configuration and data management. From the Settings menu, click on Account and Settings. This will open the area where you can control different parts of your QuickBooks setup. You may see several tabs here, each covering a different category of preferences. Once you're inside Account and Settings, choose Advanced and then select Backup. This is the section that contains the backup controls for your QuickBooks Online company. If you've never configured this before, the feature may be turned off by default, so this is where you'll enable it. Now turn on the switch labeled Turn on Backups and then save your changes. Saving is important so the setting actually takes effect. Once this is enabled, QuickBooks can maintain backup support for your company data, which gives you an added layer of protection going forward. If you ever want to create a backup manually instead of waiting, you can do that anytime. Go back to the gear menu, select Backup Company, and then choose Run Manual Backup. This is useful before making major changes, importing data, or cleaning up records because it gives you a fresh restore point right before the update. That's all it takes to set up and use backups in QuickBooks Online. As a best practice, it's a good idea to verify that backups are turned on before making significant accounting changes. A quick check now can save time later and help keep your financial data secure. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.